guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have started Star Stable. So my toe is infected, don't mind me looking at it, checking it out. So let's talk to Jenna. Hi, you're Hazel, welcome to Moreland Stable. Normally Thomas Moreland shows some new visitors around, but he's very busy right now. I don't know if you've heard the horrible company GED, who want to demolish stables to build luxury condos. But enough about that. Before I let you ride off beyond the stable gates, you have to show me you can ride. There's a small yard behind me. Show me that you can know the basics to ride around the square track. Ride one lap and come back to me. Okay, let's go Mount Midnight Melody. Come on, Midnight Melody. Okay, no love time. Okay, I feel like I'm just talking to myself at the moment. Midnight Melody. Come on. Hiya, oh, we've already done this. Da 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 da. Okay, let's do this. 2, 1, go.
You want to stay here? Are you sure? Okay. Oh, wait. Better leave my hat here, since you won't be around to get it back for me. Bye, George. Be a good little monkey.
Okay, 19 seconds. Now let's just go back to Jenna. Fantastic! Nice work on the square track. You and Midnight Melody really worked as a team. Keep it up! Can we go out the gates now? I think you're ready for some bigger challenges. As promised, you're now allowed to gallop freely outside the stable walls. Yes, I leveled up. Yes. Let's talk to you. Before you leave to explore the rest of Moreland, I want you to show me that you can jump with Midnight Melody. Girl. Jumping with your horse is all about timing. First, you need to make sure that your horse has enough speed. You want to at least ride in a canter. No. No. I'm not a star rider. Come on, hurry up! Hurry up, Midnight Melody. Ah! I want to talk to these people. If you get lost, I need to get back to the stable. Okay, I do not need to know that. I don't really need to know that, but whatever. So let's go talk to Tan. If we can talk to her, that's the problem. Okay, I just backed up in the Bobcat boutique.
His small friend couldn't fly. He'd just been getting a ride. George had to get that out. But his new friends were too fast. They were pretty still when they were drinking, but that watering hole was too far away.
I'm gonna buy this.
The animals might be
Okay, let's just talk to Loretta. Can we talk to Loretta? No, I don't think we can. Lol.
He did. He just needed some
Excuse me, Loretta! Okay, so...
He hoped his friends were thirsty.
Okay, I guess I'll just do this. His name is Josh. So I'm guessing he's nice, because my cousin's name is Josh and he's really nice. What am I doing?
Sea cows are amazing. You want to see?
No. Okay, let's just get off of this horse. No.
Thursday? Yeah, long day. I could use a nice bath.
Oh, this day just keeps getting better. Turn around and I'll show you my favorite Australian animal. These friends were back. Those are kangaroos. So that's what they were called.
I really like to eat grass. Just put it on the ground right beside me.
I really want to talk.
George decided kangaroos were his favorite Australian animal too.
I really want to talk to Tan. Let's go quickly talk to Tan. Because I really want to talk to her. Or even Loretta. I want to talk to you, Loretta. Why can I not talk to Loretta? Okay, I cannot talk to Loretta. So let's just explore. Let's go exploring. Whoa, I'm gonna try galloping. Whoa, this is fast. Fast as hell. Oh, he needs to talk to me? Let's press don't show message again. Okay. We're good. So, looks like he needs to talk to me. Well, good day. Greetings to you and your fine horse. You look young and strong. Maybe you can help me with a small task. Just the other day, my old assistant, Patrick, was bringing me a shipment. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay, tools of the trade. Okay. Where am I going? Where is it taking me? Where is it taking me? Whoa. Is that magic? Oh my god. Midnight Melody, you can't screw up this time, okay? No screwing up. See you, contract man. We'll be back soon. We'll be back soon, contract manny. Whatever your name is. Let's go. I found it! Ah. Okay, we found it. You picked up an item. Okay, I'll be back. I'll be back, Midnight Melody, okay? You stay here. No walking around. I will be back, Midnight Melody. Okay, I'm gonna have to go back to Midnight Melody to put these on her back.
Too late. They're gone.
Okay, he needs to talk to me. So let's go hurry and talk to him. Midnight Melody, where are you? Where are you? Midnight Melody. Okay, I found you. I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. I'm coming, Midnight Melody.
Good idea, George. We'll just wave to each other if we see a Perseid. Okay, let's go.
Alright, Midnight Melody. Let's go.
He's waving.
Let's go. Come on, faster. Alright, let's go. Hurry. Okay. You stay here, okay? I'll be back. I'll be back, Midnight Melody, to give you some loves. Okay. Marsden. His name is Marsden. Hi, you're an angel, Hazel. This is indeed a great day. I'm so happy that you were able to find all my tools. Forging metal on my anvil to the finest horseshoes is what I do. As a druid and member of Keepers Aiden, I don't need to read this stuff. Okay. Us Island is horseshoes made out of... Okay. The Secret of Steel. Okay, Midnight Melody, we need to go on another quest. Alright? Okay, I'm gonna hop on you. Don't screw up this time.
What is that? Simple. I am sending you a message. See? It didn't look like that. What did it look like?
Okay, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I'm just gonna go look around and try and find the steel thingy.
George was so tired, it took both hands just to keep his eyes open. What are you three working on so hard?
It's a surprise, Grandpa.
Well, this should wake you up. My super spicy hot curry soup. Hey, be careful. It's sounding hot.
No problem. I love spicy stuff. The spicier, the better.
And I might play when I'm not doing videos, so don't blame me if, like, I don't get to show you anything, what I do, so yeah, do not blame me. What's this place?
Because he needed a glass of wine.
What's this place? I've never known about this place. Never really. Okay. Okay.
One flash meant another here. Two flashes.
Mr. Kemble.
I heard a sound.
Hi, Mr. Kemble.
In that direction.
What are you doing just standing there staring? That's just kind of creepy.
So the next morning, with their
Come on, Midnight Melody.
secret code, the trio set out to find the Perseids.
What's all this? I think she's hurt her foot. I'm gonna have to end the video here. Or she's like all that type of stuff, just like doing that. But I'm